guys? Welcome back to our channel.
What's up, guys? How you doing?
What's going on? So we're home tonight and we're eating dinner. We're having Kung Pao and hubby made dinner tonight. I hope you guys can see. Yum yum. So we're eating dinner tonight and we're gonna give you guys a little smasher pass with our dinner. So, what's going on, guys? Everything's good?
We got a great list of senior AARP old people from our era.
Alrighty then. So, we are going to
Get a bite.
say our blessing.
Yes, I'm sorry.
Amen.
Amen. All right. Let's get a bite and move on with it.
Yes, so hey, ladies first. So we're gonna start with me. I have a list of ladies on my phone. So let's see what we got. Let's go with Cyndi Lauper. Really, boo?
Cyndi Lauper.
Cyndi
Whoa.
Lauper. Yes.
That's the girls just want to have fun, girl.
Mm-hmm.
Woo. Let's see.
Think about it.
That's an old one. That's 80s. That's. Yeah, I'm sorry, but I have to pass on Cyndi.
Pass on Cyndi?
Sorry.
This is good, baby.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna break the ice, and I'm gonna go with a wonderful comedian, George Lopez.
I love George. I love him.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
George, you know, his head a little bit big, but you know, he's a sweetie. And you know, being married to him, he would crack me up every night. You know, I don't know about George. I think I'm gonna pass on George though. I think I'm gonna pass on George.
I think we need to go over the rules here.
Yeah,
Again.
I think I'm gonna pass on George.
Give me what you got. Give me what you got.
All right, let's see. Let's go with Marie Osmond. Donnie and Marie Osmond.
You know, we stayed at that hotel in Vegas,
The
Flamingo, several times. And I'd never seen her, and they performed there. I thought maybe I'd see her at the coffee shop or something.
Yeah.
Never seen her. Well, yeah, I'm sorry, but I got to pass on Marie too.
She's a cutie.
She's okay, but got to
She's
pass.
okay?
Sorry, got to pass.
Okay.
You know, it's hard out here for a pimp. Terrence Howard.
Terrence Howard. Now, a lot of ladies are like drooling over Terrence. Ooh, Terrence Howard in his eyes. He's handsome. You know, he's good looking. But he's not marriage material, nor is he smash material for me. So I'm going to have to pass on
What?
Terrence. Yeah, I'm going to pass on Terrence Howard.
It's the pass train tonight. Everybody passing.
Different strokes for different folks, right?
All right.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's see what we got. Sherry Shepherd.
Sherry Shepherd.
Yeah, Sherry Shepherd. Like my granddaughter say, the one with the tatas. Sherry Shepherd.
Oh boy, you're hurting me here. Should I?
Think about it. She's a cutie.
Tatas are good.
Yeah.
Gotta pass.
You gotta
I
pass?
gotta pass on Sherry.
I'm gonna pass on Sherry Shepherd. You have a lot of fun with her.
It's not all about the Tata.
Okay, so it's on you.
You're right. It is. It is on me.
This is a little spicy.
It's supposed to be.
Spicy.
I'm gonna go back to a really cool, long, colorful bus and drop Danny Bonaducci on you.
Baby.
He's grown up.
Parker family?
He's our age, yes ma'am.
He's been going through a lot in his life, right?
He's okay now though. You know, he made it through.
That's good for him because I'm gonna pass on him. That's good for him. Pass. You know. Alright, so you wanna go there. Let's go with Sarah Jessica Parker. Sex in the City. Hey y'all, that used to be my show. That used to comment down below if you love Sex in the City. Think about it. Think about it. Sarah Jessica Parker.
Sex in the City. I
Carrie
know who
Bradshaw,
she is.
Samantha, Miranda,
Big Daddy.
you know.
What city was that? Was it New York?
Yeah, it was based out of New York, I think.
Moving to New York. I'm gonna smash
You
that.
gonna smash? You gonna smash? Sarah, she's a cutie though, you guys. She is. She's a cutie, and she looks good today. She really does.
All right, you ready for this? I'm gonna move over to do some music.
Bring it.
Lenny Kravitz.
Ooh,
Going deep today. You know, I'm all about going deep.
Lenny. You know what? Lenny's a cool guy. I've never heard anything bad about Lenny. You know, he's a smooth type of criminal. I'm gonna smash Lenny. Lenny. Smash. I'ma date him. Yeah. We can go out a couple times. We can. Let's go with Rosie Perez. What she is that White Man Can't Jump? She was crazy in that movie. Rosie Perez. You think long, you think wrong.
Oh, I ain't thinking long. I
What
already
you got?
answered.
What?
Smash that.
Really? Rosie, he always thought she was a cutie though, you guys.
I like Rosie.
He did. He always thought she was a cutie. Whatever.
All right, we're going back to the movies.
What you got?
Jackie Chan.
Jackie Chan is handsome. To
He's
me,
a stud.
He's
a stud.
To me, he's handsome. You know, Jackie Chan. What can me and Jackie Chan do? You know, as far as dating and hanging out. Jackie Chan, you know. Jackie Chan.
You know.
What can we do, Jackie Chan? You know, I'll date him.
Come on now.
Jackie Chan.
You waiting
Jackie
too long.
Chan. Me and Jackie Chan hanging out.
Are you?
We could get on Smash.
Smashing Jackie Chan.
He's cool. I like Jackie Chan.
I'm a little jealous.
like
I gotta admit,
him.
I'm jealous.
Really? Don't be sweet. What you got? Oh, it's my turn. Let's see. Stacey Dash.
Stacey Dash.
Stacy. Remember Stacey Dash?
Oh yeah, I remember Stacey Dash. I remember Stacey Dash.
And what was that? I liked her in
I liked her in every movie she did. I don't really care for her politics too much,
yeah, she's all over the place.
but
Really?
strictly on a physical, I'm gonna smash. But
Really?
the minute she opens her mouth, I gotta pass.
Yeah, but you.
I'm sorry. That's the way a TI is.
She is a cutie still, Jackie Chan. Stacey Dash. She's a cutie still.
All right,
She is.
this one, it might make her choke, so I'll make sure she's not chewing.
Let me clear my throat.
Billy Bob Thornton.
Billy Bob.
I like the way you talk.
I love the way his acting. His acting is phenomenal, right?
Good dude.
Billy Bob. Billy Bob. Billy Bob. Billy Bob. Billy Bob.
Billy Bob.
We'll pass on Billy Bob. Billy Bob. Billy Bob. Angelina can have him. Let's go with Lisa Ray McCoy. You know who Lisa Ray is?
I do not.
The Players Club. Remember her in the Players Club?
Remember the Players
She
Club,
had-
don't know which one she is.
She was the tall, light-skinned one that had the cousin that came and visited her. and she had to protect her, and she was a dancer at the club. Lisa Ray.
Since this, yeah, I know what you mean now. But since I'm basing this off of the one movie, and I could barely remember her.
Lisa Ray.
Players Club,
Yes.
dancer, smashing.
Yes.
Yeah.
She's a cute.
All right, it is what a TI is. I'm gonna go with Benicio del Toro.
Don't know, no.
I got a pick for you because I thought maybe you
I
did.
don't
You'll
know.
know him as soon as you
Wait
see
a
this
minute.
picture.
Is he a
He was in-
producer?
No, he's
Oh, that's that guy with that big head in the
He-
dark
he got a big
eyebrow?
head. He was in
I
the
knew he was
Wolfman.
gonna show. I knew that was him. You guys, I love his acting. I love it. I love his acting, but you know, I'm gonna have to pass. He'll probably be a fun date, but no, I can't smash.
probably all you think of is the Wolfman when you see him. I
I
don't
know
know.
he looks like a wolf man. No offense, but yeah. What about Zoe Saldana? I believe that's how I pronounced her last name. She played in Colombiana. Ooh, I
Yeah,
love
yeah,
that
yeah.
movie, guys.
I really like
I
her.
watched Colombiana how many times? Back to back? At least 12 times.
How do you
I
gonna know
love
how many
that.
times you watched it?
I love that movie.
She's a great
Death at a
actress.
Funeral, guess who?
Yep. Love her movies.
I love her.
her. She's very attractive. She's cute. But I'm sorry, I gotta pass on her. She's just
What?
too little and brittle for me.
Zoe can handle it though.
I'm sure she can handle it, but I feel
Zoe!
like, you know, she's just too brittle.
Why are you passing on, Zoe? She was a cutie.
She's a cutie.
What you got over there?
I don't know if you can handle this one. You know, many movies.
Mm-hmm.
Great actor for many years.
Mm-hmm.
Little crazy.
Mm-hmm.
Sean Penn.
You know, I used to think Sean Penn was so handsome. Like cocky kind of, buffy kind of guy. Then he got crazy.
He did get crazy.
You know.
Well, I think he's always been crazy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Madonna.
Yeah, that's when he was looking okay, when he had Madonna, but like after that, he just started. But now, recently, he done tightened up a little bit. You know, Sean Penn, you look good, you handsome and all, Sean, but personality-wise, I don't think we can do it. Mm-mm.
Passing a lot.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to pass on him. But you.
We might have to end this early.
Okay. Kelly Rowland.
Kelly Rowland.
You know Kelly
Yeah, I know
Rowland,
Kelly.
Kelly Rowland. What was that song she made with what is his name?
King.
I love you, baby. I want
I
you.
know the song, but I don't know who it is.
No matter what you do. You know she. You smashing? Yeah, she's a cutie. I like Kelly. She seems so sweet and innocent.
All right.
I love her.
This is gonna seem a little off the wall,
What you got?
but he's a mature dude
Mm.
in the music industry, so he can't be ignored, right? Eyes might be a little red. He might be a little bit up there. Snoop Dogg. Snoop Dogg. It might look like a Doberman.
You know, Snoop Dogg right up there with us. I got Snoop Dogg beat though.
A couple days you used to like gin and juice though.
Yeah. Snoop. Snoop. I'm gonna have to pass on Snoop. I'm gonna have to pass. So sorry.
It gets deeper.
It gets deeper?
It gets deeper.
Let's see what we got. Oh, Nia Long. Nia, you know
Right.
Nia,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Nia Long.
I think-
I love Nia Long.
I think she set me up tonight.
Why?
The first three was passes. They wasn't even close.
Really?
But there's that daggone rice maker beeping again.
Okay.
She set me up with smashes, and it's
Really?
I can't.
What you got?
I got
She
it. I
is
got
a
it.
cutie,
Oh
though.
man, what can I say?
I know what you like. That's why. I think. What you got?
I got Ben Stiller.
Ben. My Ben.
Something about Mary.
Okay, the little short
Meet
guy.
the Fockers.
He is an awesome actor, a phenomenal character. He's kind of sort of funny. Sometimes he tried too hard for me to be funny, like in, what's that stupid movie they made? Dodgeball or something? What was the name of that?
Dodgeball.
It was called Dodgeball? Stupid.
I thought that was a masterpiece.
Did you? He likes stupid movies like that.
Yeah.
Ben Stiller, a little bit short. Head a little bit big.
I'm short. Got a big head.
He's a cute little fella, right? But I think I'm gonna pass on him too. Babe, what you doing over there?
Passing on to everybody.
What you doing over there?
That's right. I had a couple she ain't never gonna pass on.
All right, so let's see. I think I'm running out over here.
Better come up with something.
Did we say Drew Barrymore?
You did not say that.
That's my girl, Drew Barrymore. I like her.
You know, I can't think
She's
of.
so goofy, witty, but she's different. There's something about her that I like. I like Drew Barrymore.
When I see her sitting in front of that TV in Poltergeist
Oh.
back in about '82.
Or was it E.T.?
It was E.T.
She was in E.T. too.
Was she Poltergeist or yeah? I
It
don't
was
know.
E.T. I don't know if she was in Poltergeist. Yes, I think she was in Poltergeist.
Yeah, I think so.
I believe.
But then I see her in Blended. We're blended.
You guys saw that? Oh, that was such
Good
a funny movie.
Yeah.
Blended. We're blended. That's
I'm sorry. I love her, but I gotta pass.
No!
She's just not my type.
She's not your type?
No, not at all. But this might be your type, Wesley Snipes.
He is smooth and slick, and he's a smooth criminal, and I love his acting as well. But I just can't see myself dating Wesley Snipes. I can't.
That's a quick one.
He's handsome and everything. I just can't see myself, you know, like with the
You gotta come up with two more.
I can't. I think I ran out.
Make up something now.
Make up something. What about Tamron Hall? You know who that is?
Don't have a clue.
She's the newscaster from, she used to be on MSNBC. You guys know Tamron Hall? She's a cutie. Her hair is cut real short, tapered, African American woman. And she was on MSNBC.
I do not know who you're talking about, but I'll find out.
I bet you. Tamron.
There she is, right there.
No,
Yep.
who was that? Really? Come on now, babe. Tamron. I think that's her name, Tamron Hall. Sorry, you guys. I knew he would smash her. I knew he would, because she is a cutie. She's a cutie patootie.
Vin Diesel.
Vin Diesel. That's the big buffy guy from
Fast and Furious 47, all 47.
I know, because you know, all those Fast and Furious, I think I only watched like the first two, and I just got lost in the sauce, and I just gave up. But Vin Diesel, Buff, Vin Diesel.
You know.
I see myself, Vin Diesel. I think I'm gonna pass on Vin Diesel too.
Okay.
I just can't see myself like smoochy with him.
I can't either.
Well, babe. But I can't. I'll pass.
Okay. One more. You gotta go on one more.
Ah!
All right, you think about it.
I know, because I'm losing it.
My last one for you. Nicolas Cage.
I love Nick, and he know I love Nicolas Cage. And I don't care what any of you say out there. I think Nicolas Cage is handsome to me. So, me and Nicolas Cage, we can go on a date. We can smash, if that's what that means. We can go on a date. I like Nicolas Cage.
Now,
You
you
know that.
really think that's what that?
You knew that was gonna be complete thumbs up with Nicolas Cage.
I know. You got it?
I can't think of anybody else.
Well, just in case you thought of somebody good, I'll smash him.
What about Robin from Good Morning America? The African American woman, really tall, Robin Roberts. I'm sorry, but my husband.
That's a hard. Don't do it. Robin's a little. I'm 5'10". She's about 6'3", so she's not really my type. I'm not gonna pass. I'm gonna walk on by. I'm gonna do it.
Okay, guys, I think this is the end of this because I am just.
This is heading south real quick.
Yes, I'm over it. So, thank you for watching, guys.
Thanks, guys. Have a good night.
Make sure you thumbs this video up if you want more similar to this one, okay?
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notifications.
Yes.
You gotta know the next time one comes out right away.
Yes. So have a good night, guys. Love you.
Peace.